Hey everybody, let me turn this down. Is that good? Okay. So, hi, I'm Zarah. I'm with Watercolor Wizardry on the Watercolor Wizardry channel. I wanted to announce that we're open for beta in the membership at the Academy. We're building it right now, and we're starting with hyper-realistic style. So realistic watercolor. And I've been painting, I started with the pear, and now we're on the apple, which is on the thumbnail that you saw. The pear is right here, right? That's beautiful. And then, so I'm just doing beginner lessons right now. And the apple is right here. Gorgeous. But I think I'm going to finish those and then start them on Arch paper. Anyway, I just wanted to say I've been doing podcasts, so audio only. I have 10 of them up on the channel right now. So now I'm bringing it up to video. So I'm excited about that. So if you've been listening to the audio, you notice that I've been changing my schedule and trying to fit everything in and trying to improve and, a little bit at a time. So today, a new habit that I started about a week ago was to wake up at 5 in the morning and try to get things done. And that's been going pretty well. I have a hard time sleeping sometimes, so that's rough. And having the phone nearby is not a good thing. So I'm practicing now to not look at my phone at least an hour before I go to sleep. So yeah, so that's the next improvement. Yeah. So let's see, behind the scenes. Oh, last week I went live to both YouTube, to all the socials, but on YouTube, I didn't realize that you have to turn off the stream when you schedule it. So that was going on for a while, and there's people chatting in there, and I didn't see the chats because I was literally not even there because I thought that I stopped the stream. Anyway, thank goodness that there's a thumbnail that shows up, or I switched to an ending stream screen. And yeah, so that was good. I don't know. I don't know if I even had my mic on. I don't know. Anyway, let's get back. So yeah, so I'm stepping up the podcast to a vodcast. I'm still using the audio for the podcast. We'll see how that goes. Because, that takes time to do and to edit and everything. But yeah, that's what's going on. Right now, I'm ready to start the pear on Arch paper. I did it as a study on the lesser quality paper. Still good paper, but not as good as Arch. And now I have a better idea of how to paint it. And I do suggest doing that. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Let's see. What we're working on. What's next? Oh, so I go live in the Academy twice a week. I was going every day, and I might go back to every day depending on my, what's going on. But I like sharing what I'm doing. But the schedule right now is Wednesday mornings and Saturday mornings where, show up, ask any questions about anything on the lessons and stuff. And let's see, I go live Wednesdays on the social platforms and then live in the creator community, which is a combination of watercolor business and creator vodcast right now, people. So anybody that's ever gotten anything from me goes into creator community, and I go live there every Saturday. So yeah, so that's going on. Yeah, the final thing, did I say everything? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so the final thing is that we are in beta for Academy, and it's the best time to join because it's the lowest price, and I'm there all the time. And you get to say what's next and vote on things. Yeah, so if you want to know more about everything, it's at watercolorwizardry.com. And I will be seeing you more often because I'm going to do these podcasts, daily podcasts, as a video. Eventually, the next step will be live. But right now, it's just video. So we'll see how this goes. And yeah, so I will see you guys later. All right, bye.